pick one. You can see I only have 5 strings here. Okay, so I'm set up for open G tuning. But I'm going to still name all the strings what they normally are, right? So this is the first one, the A string. The E string is gone, so I'm not going to talk about that. So the A string, it's now tuned down to G, but I'm going to refer to it as the A string. And then the D string is a D, the G string is a G, the B string is a B, the high E string is a D, okay? But I'm going to call it high E string, of course, right? So we'll do this bend here and we'll hold it on G9. And then we'll go, so we go from D7 to 9, hammer on, and then G7 to 9. Hammer on and play, bend again, and then bend and release, pull off to G7, back to D9, and then roll down to G9, back to D9, and then do G7. Okay, so that goes over the G chord. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this lesson in open G tuning, and please take in all my lessons in open G tuning. There's a playlist right here, and it's a lot of fun stuff there for you if you're interested in open G tuning. Until next time, I will see you soon.